Hey there, let me share a little story with you about my journey to make money online. Picture this, it's 2019 and I'm trying to make some serious cash with e-commerce and Facebook ads. But man, I was struggling. I made a little money here and there, but it wasn't enough to make ends meet. I was getting frustrated and scared, thinking maybe this whole internet thing just wasn't for me. But I refused to give up on my dream of making money and changing my life using the power of the internet. So I decided to try something different. I dipped my toes into the world of affiliate marketing without having to create my own products. And let me tell you, everything changed. I finally cracked the code and figured out how to tap into successful marketing patterns, test different angles, and create a checklist that dominates any marketing campaign. And the best part, I could create all the high converting marketing angles I needed to make some serious passive income. Not only did I start making money, but I also transformed my life. I was able to provide a wonderful life for my mother, spread my message, and make a huge difference in people's lives. Now, I'm living my dream of making money online, and I never have to worry about struggling to find a profitable way to make money ever again. That's why I'm excited to share with you the ultimate affiliate marketing checklist. This powerful tool will help you experience the same freedom, success, and life-changing opportunities that I've been able to achieve. With the checklist in your hands, you can unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing, create irresistible marketing angles, and watch the money roll in. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to the struggle and hello to a life of financial freedom, then don't waste another minute. Grab the ultimate affiliate marketing checklist now and start your journey towards making money and changing your life using the incredible power of the internet. Remember, I've been in your shoes and I'm here to help you every step of the way. Let's make your affiliate marketing dreams a reality together. Comment me below to get my free checklist.